You're wading, Oliver. That's called wading. There's Zeppy! You found another square rock?
Yeah.
Wow.
This one's more like what Bam was looking for, though. He was wanting like a cube or something.
Okay.
Here, Ollie.
Okay. No,
No, Mommy's not filming. Yeah.
no.
Want another one? Is it Van's turn?
Okay. Oh no.
Yeah, you know, some of the dirt looks oxidized too.
It does, especially.
Like over there on that beach, it looks really rusty.
Uh-huh.
Rusty?
It means there's a lot of iron and stuff in the dirt and the water and rocks and any of those things.
Want another one?
Okay. Uh-oh.
You're doing really good. Wow, that was a big one. I haven't seen too many fish though.
Here's some eggs or something. Looking on the end of this rock.
Ooh, yeah, it's like jelly.
Yeah, and it has these little stuff inside of there.
Oh, I think that's ugly.
You think?
Yuck. Yucky.
That's a giant rock.
Mommy.
Yes, sweetheart. What do you see? You see ants?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a beetle of some kind. It kind of looks like a roly-poly, but I'm not sure.
No. No.
You gonna get it? Be careful. Some of them bite. Did he bite you? Or did I just scare you? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you, sweetie.